Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today with a 2019 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6359. This ran from the 2nd 2014 to the 7th 2022. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,